Agenda: installation of .NET Framework or .NET Core. Open Google, type .NET download, just click on .NET.microsoft.com, expand it. See here, latest version is till now means December 10, 2022. Till now .NET Core 7.0 and .NET 6.0. If you want to see older versions, click on this, all .NET versions. Click on it. See here, .NET Core 3.1. So long-term support and support phase is maintenance. Latest release is 3.1. Latest release date is November 8, 2022, and end of the support is December 13, 2022. So if you need, you can install, or if you need older versions, you can also install those softwares. See, I need a .NET 3.1, so that's why I am going to install this one. Reason, for example, I want to create one project console application, so there is no .NET 3.1, only .NET Core 5 and 6 only there. So that's why I need to install 3.1. See, for example, sample application. See here, .NET 6 and .NET 7 only. So I need .NET 5 and .NET 3. So for this I am going to install .NET 3. So first 3 is better, next 5 or 5 or 3, anyway, no problem at all. So I am right click on it, open link in new tab. So already Microsoft team mentioned here, the release date has reached end of life, meaning it is no longer supported. We recommended moving to supported release. So 3.1, okay, both if you need as per the project requirements, you can install. So I am going to install 3.1. Windows x64-bit. So download not started. Yes, started. If download not started, so just click on it. Click here to download manually. Just we have to click on it. That's it. It will download. So the download successfully completed. Double click on it or right click on it. Run as administrator. Both are same. I am double click on the software. Click on install. Click on yes. Now I want to see 3.1 here. Completed. Installation was completed successfully. Click on close. Again, open Visual Studio. Create new project. Console. Type console. Yes, console app there. C#. First program. Next. See here 3.1 came. So now I want to see .NET Core 5 version. So how to install that one? Similarly, just see here supported versions .NET 5.0. Just right click on it. Already open this download page. See here Windows and x64-bit version, because my system version is 64-bit machine. See here 12th generation Core i7, 64 GB RAM, and my OS is 64-bit operating system, means x64 based processor. That's why I need to install this one. So I need to install. For example, if you want to develop 32-bit softwares, then you can install x86 .NET Framework as your wish. As per the project requirements, you can download. So now I am downloading the x64-bit version. Right click, open new tab. So download already started. in folder, double click on it, install, click on S. Click on close. That's it. Now open Visual Studio 2022, create new project, console application, supported language is C#, click on next, console application, click on drop down. See .NET 3.1, .NET 5, .NET 6, .NET 7. So this is the way how to way of installing .NET Core or .NET Framework. Thank you.